Welcome back to Cocoa Lace and Giggles, where beauty is made simple. I just completed my first video, so this is my second review, and this will be for the CauseBox Fall season. I'm just gonna say fall season. I got it in October, but I believe it's for the fall season. My first time hearing about this box was on I saw ads on Instagram, and then of course, you know, when you scroll through Facebook, you see I saw ads on there too, and so I was kind of curious. Initially, when I saw it, might have been like back in the spring, and they had like this cute little crossbody purse, and then they had like this face wand massager thing for when you're cleansing your face. And I was like, why not? I'm gonna get it. Excited. So I got that, and then of course this is my second box from CauseBox, but this is the first CauseBox that I will be reading. What I got, I was hoping I would have got the bracelet because I like the little jewelry stuff too, but I didn't get it. That's fine. So what I received was the Core Bamboo Serve prep set. Came with the board, the cutting board, and serving utensils. And then I got the Love Scrub, which is this right here. I think this is the Love Scrub. Yeah, the Love Scrub, right? And so when you open it up, this is what it looks like, right? And so I thought, oh gosh, this is gonna be like all hard and gritty, but it's really, really fine. And it smells so good. Oh my God. Very relaxing. It's giving me, even though it's like a scrub, right? It's still giving me, it has, I'm sorry, it's a 3-in-1. It's called Love Scrub by Volim. And it's a 3-in-1 hyaluronic acid, red tea, and seaweed microderm exfoliator. So great. Can't wait to try that. I will let you all know how well that goes. I love exfoliators, so always looking for a good exfoliator. So the price of this was, the value of this is $56. This is the box right here. $56. And then there is the serum, face serum brightening, Way of Will. That's the name of this product, and it is the value is $37.50, and it is a face brightening for a healthy, dewy glow that fights free radicals and hydrates the skin. And listen, I'm all for hydrating the skin, especially living here in Dallas. So, and it's made with vitamin A and C. So that's all good. Excited. Can't wait to use it. Let's see how it smells. Let's see. I'm going to use my other hand. So, this is the bottle. And let's see what it smells like. This is what it looks like. So this also has like a citrus smell. Man, it smells so good. So I'm just gonna put it on here so you can see the consistency of it. Just a few drops. So it drops down on it. So it's a nice little, it's not heavy, right? But it's, you know, it's lightweight. But you know, some serums, you know, some of them just like quick gone, right? Not so much this. Let me massage it in. Feels good. Now I don't know. So some people, so with my serums, I like for mine, it's like when I come out, like, I like this face to be on beam. You hear me? Because I need my skin to soak all of that up. And keep in mind, ladies, like when you're doing your serums or your skincare regimen, who is that? I was some lady. She's on Instagram. I have to find her name or whatever. But I was watching her, and she was saying that you need to make sure you do all of your skincare regimen early enough so that it soaks into your skin and it doesn't end up on your pillow. So she said that you may want to do that a couple of hours before going to bed. Some people may already do that. People may already know that. But just in case you didn't know, you want to do it a couple of hours before you go to bed. If you have a steamer, come on, let's hydrate that face. Go ahead and do a little steam. You know, add that into your regimen. You want to open up those pores so that when you put your all of your face products on, that your skin receives it, right? Like it takes it in and it like soaks it all up and have you with that natural glow. So if you can't, or if you don't have that, you can also do like a just get a really warm, you know, run your towel under hot water and you know, wring it out, kind of, you know, whatever you need to do. Once you wring it out, I kind of put mine aside because I actually make the water really hot. But wring it out, and then you take it and you place it over your face. Count to like, let's see. I say count to like 50. Count to 50, take it off. You can probably even do like 20 seconds, but count to 50, 40, 50, and then take it off, and then go ahead and start doing all of your serums, like after your cleanser, right? So like after your cleanser, you want to do this. Lay that on there, and then start with every 20, I'll say 20, 40 seconds. Then the hot towel if you don't have a steamer, and then just go on with the rest of your regimen. Now, if you do have a steamer, you can sit under it as long as you want to. You can do it every day. It doesn't matter. It's not going to affect it. It won't hurt it. I love it. Man, it's just my time, right? So, like, that's just me doing what I do and loving on my skin. So, I'm probably more so into skincare and different products and seeing what works, what I like, that type of thing, more so than makeup. Like, I love makeup. Everyone who knows me, if you come over to my house, there's makeup in every bathroom. Every bathroom. Like, my girls even have great, like, lip glosses and chapsticks. Love makeup, but I think I like skincare a whole lot more. And I absolutely love the face mask. Face mask, the under eye mask. Oh, love it. Anyway, so getting back to what we were talking about. So we talked about the Love Scrub. We talked about the serum. Way at Will serum. I thought this was pretty cool. So a company called Tease, T-E-A-S, have a glass tumbler. Now, my husband has already started using this, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. So he's been using it. I just took it from him. He has tea in the bottom of it. So my husband loves teas, loose teas. That's his thing, right? And so I told him, I was like, hey, I tea infuser tumbler, and you should go ahead and try it out. So I left a little, it's like a little, I call them snuggies, like a little snuggie to go over it. But like, this is what it looks like. So cool. Sustainability meets quality and convenience with our signature double-walled glass tea tumbler. Also features a bamboo lid, too cute, and a removable stainless steel strainer basket. Perfect for loose teas, fruit infusions, cold or hot coffee, cocoa, or flavored water. Enjoy at home, work, or on the go. Listen, love it. Okay, people who are trying to like get rid of plastic and all that other stuff, perfect. These are great. I think it would be a great values at $39, and this is what it looks like. He has tea in it. I snatched it from him. I was like, I need to show them what it looks like. But yeah, he's been using it ever since I gave it to him earlier this week. So he used it today, and I snagged it from him so I could show it on the video. This is the box. Yeah, so pretty cool. And then, last but not least, well, no, there's a couple more things. This is the waffle blanket. I mean, waffle robe. Nice robe, a nice little weight, not too heavy, just enough. You know, just relaxing, face mask, chilling with the tea, you know, eating your salad, and you just wanna, like, you can't get to the spa, or you don't feel comfortable going to the spa right now, so you're doing self-care at home. Now you have your own spa robe. So I have my own spa robe, but my daughter snagged this from me. She looks so cute in it. So she uses it when she does her, I saw her, like, she didn't waste any time. She face mask, feet propped up, little robe on. She's hilarious. Anyway, she goes, Mom, if you ever need to use it, you know, just come to my room and get it. It's perfectly fine. I will say that initially I saw some complaints where people were like, oh, I washed it and it doesn't, you know, it doesn't hold its shape. So if anyone has ever been to a spa and you've seen those robes, right? These are not robes that you would put into a dryer. You are going to wash them delicate, right? You are going to take them out and you're going to either let them line dry or you're going to dry them flat. And of course, when you take them out the washer, you're going to need to reshape them because they're cotton. So it's going to draw up, not shrink, but draw up. So you need to kind of stretch them out to get the, you know, get it back the way it is. And of course, I always do that with any of my stuff that's made out of this type of waffle cotton material. So of course, when you line dry it, you stretch it out, you know, like you need to line dry it. And then once it's dry, I just go ahead and iron it. I know that sounds crazy, ironing robes, but I don't like really wrinkled robes. So yeah, if I'm going to do the whole spa thing, I'm going to make sure it's like on point. So the waffle robe was a total of $90, and we got it in the color charcoal. Okay, so the next thing is the bamboo serving set. I love this thing. Awesome. I can't wait to use it. Anyway, really light, not heavy. Bamboo is awesome. It's durable. It lasts forever. Like, never had any complaints with bamboo. And the total of this was, the value of this is $35. The cute little postcard you can use. I mean, people still send postcards? Interesting. But it's cool just to collect, to write on, or, you know, to like put on the wall somewhere, something to brighten up your day. If you were at work, you know, something to just have at work. It's kind of cool. Artwork. And I think you get those with every box. I think I got one in my last box. So the last item that I received was the Buzzy Seeds. The company is called Buzzy Seeds, but it was a Basil Grow Kit. Okay. Anyone who knows me knows that me and plants, we don't, they pretty. I like to buy them and then try and keep them alive, but my husband has the green thumb, not me. I just know what I like and what looks pretty. So who doesn't like basil? Basil is good in everything, and it's great for you. So it comes in like a little tin can. It's a picture that's featured in the back, right? So when Morgan saw it, because this is how it came, right? And so I told my daughter, I was like, hey, she loves plants. She loves growing plants. That's her thing. She's like, oh, let's grow some food. So, vegetables rather. And so I told her about it, and as soon as she like saw it in the box, like she took that and she took this waffle robe, right? And so she took that and immediately took it downstairs, prepped it up. So now we're waiting to see if, you know, how well it goes, how this basil kit goes. But so one of the things I really love about CauseBox is that they're moving you more towards being more greener, more earth conscious, eco conscious, you know, not being so ways to help you to be more sustainable, you know, as it relates to, you know, products we use, things with free radicals, things, you know, they show you in every aspect, right, of your life or what you do or what you use, right? So whether it's taking showers, baths, right, bathrobe, cloth, whatever, what you drink out of, instead of throwing away paper cups all the time, you have that. Or, you know, I can't say enough for skincare. I'm all for skincare. So of course their stuff is cruelty free, vegan products. But I will definitely tell you to look into CauseBox. CauseBox also purposely use companies that are trying to make the earth better. I have nothing but great things to say about CauseBox, other than the fact that there's like delays with their boxes going out, but they say it's due to COVID. So I don't know how it was before COVID, but you know, it is what it is. I'm used to stuff coming in late, whatever. Like, there's no rush anymore. I used to rush all the time. There's no rush, whatever it is. But so that is the box. Let me go ahead and total up everything so you can see, like, is it even worth, right? Or worth spending the money. This box totaled out at $267.50. Listen, for $54, that's a great buy. I mean, so if you are looking for something with like a whole lot of things, it doesn't have a whole lot, but I mean, that's a pretty good amount. So you got 6 items for like $60, and like you pay for the box with the love scrub. So I think it's a win, and you know, you're helping out companies that's trying to do good things in the world. So it's a great box. The next box that I'll be doing a review on will be Curator. I love me some Rachel Zoe, okay? Every box that I have gotten has been the bomb, and I have found something to use. Okay, first off, let me tell you, I absolutely love the jewelry that comes in it. Great pieces, classic pieces. And then her really cool purses. I think there might have been like one purse that I was like, it's okay, but that's only because it wasn't really my style, but it was still a really nice purse. Everything I have received in her boxes have been awesome. Even some of the new things that I, things that I probably wouldn't use or hadn't tried. Her skincare, the skincare selections that she has in her boxes are really good too. So if you're like, hey, I think I want to splurge or I want to treat myself, and hers is a quarterly box as well, worth it. Definitely worth it. Like, everything that you get in the box. I don't think I've gotten anything in the box where I was like, I think I give this away. I kept everything. So, I am done. This is it. If you enjoyed watching me do my review, please like, share, or subscribe. I will put what I received at my cost all in it, and then the value of everything, and of course the total again, just in case. I think I added everything up correctly, but just in case I might have been off, because I don't want to give you incorrect information, it will be listed below. Thank you, and I will see you soon.